Okay, along with the net that's inside the bag, we're going to give you 4 clips. Now the clips are held on with optional screws. So we're going to show you how to install that next. You're going to get one for the rear, right, left, sides, and one for the top. And then these are the optional screws, so you can screw right into the underside if you want a more permanent setup for the net system. So let's show you how to do that next. Okay, after you determine the ideal locations for the mounting clips, just use a pilot screwdriver, little pilot hole maybe, and then a regular screwdriver, a power drill, tighten it up. And now let's go put it in the car and show you how secure it is. Now, you don't have to use all 4 of them. We do give you 8 screws, but I like this location here, and here's the extra ones. I like the location out on the sides here. Now, the front ones that are up there, you really don't need to screw in because you're not going to be lifting it up very often. But if you happen to, you might want to. So anyway, like I was mentioning, find a location, the ideal location where you're going to want your net. You might want these plastic tabs all the way to the side. You might want them closer like this. But once you find your location, then they're going to hook on to anything you put on. And another thing too is we have a pocket in here. So this is nice for holding things that, instead of holding them down, you're going to suspend them in the pocket. But the side 2 pieces, again, remember how I was showing earlier, you can slide them around, move them up and down. And let's give you one more quick view. We went up to the Santa Monica, LA Tesla event, and we took our suitcase up. Now suitcases, like any kind of luggage, really will bang around in here and scratch up everything. So again, the cargo bay net is great, as well as our new cargo bay cover. Keep people from seeing what you put inside. Thanks again, and again, all you got to do is hook up the 8 screws. If you want to secure it all, or like I did, just hook up 2. So now when I go to my car, I can open up the hatch or the sub trunk, lift it up like this, put it back down, and the net is secure. It's not going anywhere, but you can screw these down if you just take the front ones out. But most people don't seem to use this front storage area down there. Anyway, they're in stock, they're great, they're simple, and they'll save you from a lot of items flying around. And don't forget the trunk dual layer sub-trunk organizer. This is an awesome item too. Now you can see the screws here just underneath. And then when you lower the trunk cover, the net is here. You can get it out of the way if you need to. The hooks are great. Just hook them on anytime. You can hook them up or down. And again, cargo net from RPM Tesla in stock now. Thank you.